Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9546. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Correction, 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. Don't think it's a 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Maybe it's a 2 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. We'll see, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. See here, a single box always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. The 1 and 3 is already given, so this box will be 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay? Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. 3 is already given. Well, and these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left of the 2 in this quadra box should be here. So the 1 and the 4 are left. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here another one upside down. This box is the same number as that box. Here another one. This box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? The T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Okay. More T shapes. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. This case is the 1 and the 4 there. Then the following shape. Oh, overlook this one. The first one. Yeah. We have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, we have only 1 L shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. Yeah. These three boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Oh, we have 2 L shapes. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Well. Overlooked. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here because this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So another solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1, because then it's connected with that box, should be so a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. This one is connected with that box, should be so 2, is also connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5, 4 over 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. But also this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there then. Yeah. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 1, 3, 5, 2 and a 4. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. One of them is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 5. It's also connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 5. Alright. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 4. 2 to 4. These 2 boxes can be 2 or 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Another pair in this area are numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so it can be 1 and more. This box will be a 1. This box will be a 5. 2 and 4 is connected with that box. Okay. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. This box. Wait. 1 and 4. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 1. Wait. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3. This one is connected with that box. So 4 and 5. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here 5. So the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. 3, 2. This box can be a 1, but also cannot be a 3 or a 5. Yep. Well, it's chilly here. Need to blow my nose. So 2 numbers left. Can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Could be a 4. Can be 5, we have a double 5 there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 4. Okay. Then 3 to 4. Well. Let me think. 2 to 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 and the 4. I think this box can be 1, can be 2, could be a 3, could be a 4, can be a 5, yes. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. 3 and a 4. Well. 3 and 5. I think this box will be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2. Can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be 4, could be a 4. Can be 5, we have a double 5 there. Yeah, this should be a 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. I think 3 and 5. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. These 3 boxes, so 1 and 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. 3 or a 5, we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 5, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 5. 3 or 5, we have 5 now, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 or 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 or 4. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So we need a 4 there. 2, 4. Wow. Well. 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. Can it? 3 could be everywhere. Well. 2, 4, and the 3. This box can be 3. So 1 box left of the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This can also not be a 3. So 2 and a 4 are left. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. So need a 1. Oh. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 and 4 are left. Here, so 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left of the 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left of the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left. For numbers 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a double 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 2 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, eliminated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there, and the final number in this area for number 4. Finished in 18 minutes. Wow. 18 minutes. Not the 4. Not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. I also can make it a solve myself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.